Hey, what's up, Amazon KDP sellers? Check this out. So in my last video, I was talking about Nurie Creator's functionality. It's Q feature, which enables you to just put in a prompt. Let's say I want 50 stained glass gnome coloring book pages. You click Q, you can close your computer, you're off, you get your email, and then you get your complete order right here. This is where we left off with that. Now, what I want to do next is the coolest part is you go to this little folder. So you picked all the gnomes you wanted or whatever, how many coloring pages you wanted. And you go to this little folder right here, check it out. And you want to go to Speedy Book Export. This is an elite feature, okay? Now, what this does is create your book, formats it, styles it, makes it all nice and good looking. So check this out. Here we have book size. So my book covers are of a 8.5 by 8.5. The whole book, the styling is in that square type. So I'm going to take this trim size and change it to 8.5 by 8.5 right there. And everything looks in order there. Now, book. So here I got to put in my title here. I'm just gonna give it just a generic title for example's sake. Gnome coloring book. As you can see, it's filling up right there. My author name, Jack Frost. Why not? And if I had a website, you put it right here. Okay. Now it's really important. It's something you have to listen to. So you can also add text down here, and in the text section, you can add right here all the different text you want for each. You can be random. You can do it in order. So I have 35 pages. I'm going to, okay, here we go. I'm going to go to chat and say, give me 33 cute gnome names. Check this out. Put that in there, apply to all. Okay, that's much better, but still kind of small, as you can see there. So what I want to do is go to, let me see, go to the font size and increase it. You see that? It increases the text, okay? Thicker borders. Let's do that. Oh, not for that. Actually, I want to get rid of those borders completely. See, now it looks beautiful, nice and clean. And I want to outline, I want to thicken that outline. There we go. Beautiful, like that. Okay, you see that? You see how that's thickened up? Let me make that bigger for you. Look at that. Nettle niblet. Okay, so let's make it a little bit darker, like that. And this image right here on the copyright page is cool. If you want to change it, we can here, right here. We can remove image, add our own image if you want. We can change a copyright text if you want. I recommend you do. Well, what did I just do there? Okay, perfect, like that. I want to go through all the features here. I can select images here if I want. And very important, before I even download it, this is our interior. Our interior is basically done. I can change the font if I want. I give page numbers if I want. I don't recommend it. Really important. You want to add blank after each page. Okay, really important. I know it makes your book bigger, but trust me, you don't want your user base to complain and say, "Hey, the color's bleeding on over to the other side of the page." So you don't want that, right? So here we got 68 pages for a coloring book that we could sell online. I already showed you how to create your book cover. So you got this, you got the Speedy Book Exporter. So basically, in a day, with little effort, you put in a prompt. Let's go to create. You put in a prompt. And you just, let's say you put one prompt, gnome, and you put anime, you say 50 times, and then you go down here you go to add to queue. You step away from your computer, come back in 40, 50 minutes, come back to the queue section where it's done. You select the images you want. Let's check out view. You select the images you want. Let's say, for example, I want this one. And then you go to Speedy Book Export. You create your book. You're done. Get your book cover. You got everything you need. Up to Amazon KDP. And that's how you create a Amazon KDP coloring book. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer them. Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.